Hey guys, this is my first video in my channel, and today we are going to be opening my secret diary. Yeah, so let's open it. Okay guys, so here is our notebook. Right here is our stickers. It comes with these stickers, and we have this pen, and then we have the magical pen, this other one. And yeah, so we have our little lock right here. And here are the keys for the lock. And yeah. Okay guys, so we opened the lock. Here is our 2 keys, and this is our lock. And this is how it looks inside. So it's like a little notebook to write secrets and things like that. Like my favorite things, what I love about me, and then there's like this little puzzle, there's where you could color, and there's these blank pages to draw or do some stuff, and yeah, so and then right here, it could actually light. Okay guys, so our invisible pen, this is what I wrote. Remember guys to subscribe and put a big thumbs up. Okay guys, this is what I wrote. Put a big fat like on this video, guys. Remember, and put the notifications. Comment down below what should we do next in our next video. And yeah. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. There's actually no more stuff. But I hope you guys liked it. And yeah. Okay guys, subscribe, put a big thumbs up, put the notifications, and remember guys to comment down below what was your favorite part and what video you guys want us to do next. Oh, and go make sure guys to go look on El Primo Senator Gabacho YouTube channel. You can search it up on Google and it will pop right up there. There's a link on there. And yeah, so yeah, okay, so that's everything, guys, so bye! Oh, I like this sticker.